Dreaming of Santorini? No need to fly, kasi you can get that Greek island vibe right here sa Manila. Punta tayo sa Santorini. Kitang-kita ang ating outfit. Pang Greece. Welcome to Hotel Ava, your safe space, your hidden gem. Saan ang office? Yan o, yung mga ayun. Baka hindi dito ang parking. Kita ko to sa sa TV. This is the Thera Suite, inspired by Santorini's iconic vibes. Welcome to Santorini! My name is JLo and this is another travel episode for JLo Fight. Tara, kapit tayo! White walls, calming blues, chic Greek interiors, and a bed so comfy parang ayaw mo nang bumangon. Wow! Look at the room, guys! There's your Santorini view. And I really love the color. Perfect na perfect sa aking outfit. Another TV here. This is the second TV. Ang maganda dito, dalawang CR. May CR na nasa baba yung kasama ng jacuzzi. And we have another one here sa loft. Yan. Ganda ng mga lavatories. Pati yung sa baba, ang ganda din. And dito, kitang-kita kung anong ganap sa baba. So, minamarket nila ito na may party place. So, look. Siyempre, meron tayong karaoke. Alam nyo na, mamaya. And siyempre, hindi mawawala ang entertainment. Imagine, a videoke inside your room. Alam nyo naman, ako ang certified videoke queen. Kaya ito ang ultimate fave ko. Pwede ka mag-concert, mag-bonding with barkada, or kahit solo showdown lang. Kaya to, painting? Ganda oh. Magcha-jacuzzi tayo later, abangan. Pero ang showstopper, the jacuzzi. Bubbling water, wine on the side, and mood lighting. Perfect for relaxation, couple bonding, or solo me time. So ngayon, order tayo ng lunch. Meron silang menu dito, so itatawag lang for orders. Hotel Ava also spoils you with curated food offerings. Masarap na, Instagrammable pa. Room service na pang cravings and pang feed goals. Pang pizza! Yeah! Plus the little extras. Plush pillows, modern CR, and every corner na pang Instagram feed talaga. Good morning from Greece. So, masarap naman yung tulog namin, parang nasa bahay lang. So, parang yung atmosphere at saka very homey actually kami dito. Kwento ko lang, kasi last night, actually ng madaling araw, may nakita ako sa Facebook na magsusulat siya ng mga ng theme song nyo. Tama-tama for my birthday day of October. Ilo-launch ko yung ating theme song ng JLo Fight. So, abangan niyan. This is one of my favorite spot here. Baba mo na hagdan yung mga salamin niya. Very elegant siya. May sarili silang Netflix account, si Hotel Ava. Siyempre, nood tayo na ating vlog. Tapos ang ganda ng pagkaka-interior niya, guys. So look at this chandelier. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. At syempre, ayaw ka pa ba dito sa KTV? Ang daming seating capacity ng sofa, oh. Ang ganda na itong lavatory. It's very artistic, very creative. Good morning! So for today's breakfast, ang pinili natin ay Filipino breakfast. This is their tosilog, so tosino, itlog, and sinangag. And we also have the Western breakfast. Nagpili tayo ng bacon, syempre our favorite, at ang pancake. So may kasama siyang syrup, and syempre, tasa ng kape. My name is JLo, and this is another travel episode for JLo Fight. Tara! Kape tayo. Time check, 11:45 and it's check-out time. Sa'yo na ba ito isusurrender?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning po.
May question.
Yes, ma'am.
Di ba pagka magbubook, good for two?
Yes, ma'am.
Paano kung may kasamang iba? Kunyari, video
po
kayo hindi tutulog. Ay, hindi to pwede mag-party.
Pang-popo lang po yun.
Pang-popo lang.
Meron tayo
Sana yung mga party rooms sa pang-party?
Ito yung malaking part.
Medyo magulo lang po siya.
Ito yung hindi. Okay lang.
Tapos na.
Good for ilan to, pare?
Depende po kung ilan po sila.
Ang maximum.
30.
30.
30 packs.
Pero walang overnight to. So talagang ano lang siya. Pwede.
Ang 6 hours po nito is 10.5. Good for 10 person po yun.
Tapos, bro?
Pero pag couple rate, 6,000 one day. Mag-iba po kasi yung price pag party rate tapos yung couple rate lang.
Sa website mo.
Maganda rin po sana yung January tax of the time.
John Wick.
Opo, January. Opo, pwede na po yun. Pasan niyo po yung jacuzzi.
Perfect to saan. Ay!
Ay, may jacuzzi.
Yung jacuzzi rin po yung tapos may dalawang CR.
Oh, so kung anong meron sa ano, meron din pala siya. Ang ganda.
Oo, may pagandahan pa dito.
Medyo makahanap pa.
May okay na.
So, talagang party place na siya. At kung gusto mo ang ibang vibe, Hotel Ava has more themed rooms to match your mood. Romantic, chic, or fun, ikaw ang pipili. And the best part, Hotel Ava has 3 branches, so kahit anong theme ang trip mo, may Hotel Ava na waiting for you. Don't forget to follow the social media accounts for bookings. So ayan, Santorini feels, jacuzzi chills, videoke thrills, IG-worthy corners, and themed rooms for every mood. Hotel Ava isn't just a stay, it's your story. My name is Gino and this is another travel episode for Gino 5. Tara! Tabi tayo!